Number one, you should be logging your speed development. So, how fast you can execute specific techniques. The speed development logging should be for each technique individually. So, if you can reach 150 BPMs in alternate picking and then 120 in legato and 90 in sweeping, you should be logging this separately so that you can see your progress over time. The second thing you should be logging is playing times, meaning how much time you spend practicing the guitar. Personally, I only log, both for me and for my students, the practicing time, not just the general playing. So if I'm just goofing off or just improvising randomly, in most cases I'm not going to make a note and log that as deliberate practice, which is the point of logging these kind of things. Number three, you need to be logging what you've been practicing, and I don't just mean the techniques, things like ear training, theory, fingerboard knowledge, repertoire, licks, all these things you should be logging them and trying to figure out what you are ignoring and what you're not doing enough of so that you can develop it even further.